I'm Dr. Tushara. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Vizianagaram. So I'm homeopathic physician, cosmetologist and trichologist. And after joining Optimum Wellness Academy, I'm a certified clinical nutritionist also. So I have my own clinic of this nutrition and cosmetology and homeopathy. So my clinic name is Dr. Tushara's Homeopathic and Aesthetic Clinic. It mainly about skin problems, hair problems, and complete homeopathic and complete nutrition about weight gain, weight loss, or any medical condition, and anything about obesity, and deals also with the cosmetics and all. The learning at Optimum Wellness was a great experience for me. The faculty members were knowledgeable and supportive, and they provided a great guidance for us during the course and after the course also. And the complete teaching style was very good, and they are available for any queries during the course and after the course also. So they provided a great attention on us, which helps to learn effectively. And they are so friendly also. They share their practical experiences. I have a great experience with them. I have studied both certificate course, diploma course. First, I have joined certificate course. After that, seeing all the thing in the Optimum Wellness Academy, I joined diploma also. So I completed both certification and diploma. They are so frequent in posting everything, the research papers and the practical experiences, and if any doubts, queries, or anything about the complete nutrition and the clients, how to talk and all, everything they have through WhatsApp only. It's good. It's very frequent when we see the group. It's so many information is there in that. The main Optimum Wellness difference and this BSc nutrition course difference is we have their fixed hours, and here it's very flexible, and we have here practical aspects here, and the faculty members told about software, and it's easy and interesting, which will not get in that BSc. There is a lot of information about technical information and research information, and everything is there. It's not in that traditional course. With these, I can start early with the client, as there is so much of practical experience and so much of complete things also, so which is not available there. That there is only theory experiences. Before knowing the software, for one person diet plan, it basically took 3 to 4 hours, because I have to calculate according to his BMI and calories. So there's a lot of time going to one patient. So after the software, it's easy, and it's basically 5 minutes. It's helping a lot when we come to because in a lot of patients with same problem comes with different BMI. So when we sit on one patient only full time, so we can't give time to the other patient. So at that time, this software is very great. In Optimum Wellness Academy, we learned the difference of diets of the thyroid and PCOD patients also, giving a customized diet plan for them to cure from their condition. These two are the culprits actually of the female health, as well as male also, like thyroid, but more females are suffering from this thyroid and PCOD. So I think these two are the main culprits. So in this, they are going with only medication, which is not helping them. So at that time, the nutrition and diet plan is very important for these two conditions. After studying in Optimum Wellness Academy, I will definitely want to be the best in the city. I just want to give more people and solve more problems of this, and I have to solve these myths, and also many people have many questions, which I can give good information which I got from this academy. I was now confident to give diet plans and anything related to the PCOD, thyroid also. So, and this in Optimum Wellness Academy, we are getting this certification, which is very useful for us to go and tell in schools and colleges also. The nutritional, I just want to be best after studying this in academy. The knowledge we gained at college, it's like a half knowledge because when I joined the Optimum Wellness, I know that only nutrition is important. That's it. College is the curriculum like what is vitamin E, what are the vitamin E foods, or what are the vitamin A foods, like that. It's very general. On that basis, we are failed to give the right diet plan for the patients because only the nutrition knowledge is not only important, right? After the Optimum Wellness Academy joining, we went to know about so many nutritional myths, about fitness myths. Like example, everyone told that sugar is bad, but after the joining of Optimum Wellness Academy, we got to know that it can be added, but in small quantity. So in our college, we are just learned about the theory knowledge, so it's not practical. Now after the joining Optimum Wellness Academy, we know what exactly we can suggest the patient, what exactly we can give as a diet. So many patients come to us and say, we are just eating peanuts and they are very good source of protein, and why we are gaining this fat. So after the joining of this Optimum Wellness Academy, we got to know the answer and we can answer them. Like, this is a great source of protein, but it's a source of fat also. We are comfortable using Word also, Excel also, or we can use software which we learned in Optimum Wellness Academy. So it's very good. It's very easy actually for us, and it's beneficial for the patient also. So as a doctor, I suggest to take a nutritional course at Optimum Wellness Academy because this and there are various diets. We are very confused which diet we have to give the patient, but through Optimum Wellness we learned that even there are different types of diets. The main thing is of the calorie deficit for the weight loss and calorie surplus for the weight gain. And we also learned what are these different diets and how it will be when we use on the patient. In Optimum Wellness Academy, we learned that supplement is also important because these days there are many diets like crash diet and all, they are doing and coming. So when we give the diet plan, we are adding this multivitamin also, or any vitamin which is deficient for them. So according to that, which will be good and which will be beneficial for the patient, we have learned from the Optimum Wellness Academy. One patient asked me about this green tea, about this fat loss and all, special diet for green tea and all, apple cider vinegar, like that. So then I messaged Optimum Wellness Academy. They cleared about that. Like, there is no thing like one special ingredient or anything. It's about the tracking calories matter. So it became easy for me to tell the patient and give knowledge to them also. I have studied from various academies. I have done various courses, and very few will be in the contact. So Optimum Wellness Academy is one of them who will be in contact. Maybe mine is after 1 year of the course also, they are in contact with us and clearing our doubts, and if anything is there, they are always be there for us to answer. I will definitely recommend Optimum Wellness Academy to everyone because I'll tell them that there will be scientific base evidence on everything, and there is very smart way of teaching, and they will teach the software, different types of software also. It will be easy for us to give, and they are very smart tools to use also. So I will definitely recommend Optimum Wellness Academy. Name Dr. Tushara, homeopathic physician, cosmetologist and trichologist, and certified clinical nutritionist. So నేను ఫస్ట్ ఆప్టిమమ్ వెల్నెస్ అకాడమీ జాయిన్ అయ్యే ముందు నాకు చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండేవి, చాలా భయపడ్డాను. బట్ జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. అన్ని డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ అయ్యాయి. ఈవెన్ సర్టిఫికేషన్ కోర్స్ చేసా, డిప్లొమా కోర్స్ చేశాను. వాళ్ళు చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు అండ్ చాలా నాలెడ్జ్ గెయిన్ అయింది. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ డైట్ ప్లాన్స్ ఇవన్నీ బాగా ఇవ్వగలిగాను. సో ఏవైతే మిత్స్ అవి ఉన్నాయో అవి కూడా నేను క్లియర్ గా ఆన్సర్ చేయగలిగాను. చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. సో ఆప్టిమమ్ వెల్నెస్ అకాడమీ జాయిన్ అవ్వడం.